Hey, this is actually a perfect time to talk about trolling motors because I'm swapping from one model to the next here. But I want to talk a little bit about the two different styles because I think it's really important if you're choosing a trolling motor to understand what you can get in the Power Pole lineup. This is the ZR platform right here. It's a scissors mount. It's available all the way up to 60 inches in length. Both of them have titanium shafts, so very, very strong. And you're able with that ZR, the scissors mount, to easily mount an active target transducer on the shaft of the trolling motor. The wires run right up the side, you're all set to go. But there are gonna be some conditions, especially this next tournament, and this is why I'm making a little change here, is where I'm gonna be in some really big water. I need more than a 60-inch shaft so that trolling motor stays in the water no matter how big the waves get. And that's when you're gonna wanna go to the PV. This is the pivot mount move. Everything else is the same. The motor's the same, the bracket is different. So basically I can go, this is a 72-inch right here, and in the new saltwater one, the offshore one that Power Pole makes, you can actually go all the way up over 100 inches. Now the beauty about both these motors is all the accessories are the same. The foot pedal is the same. The hand remote, the key fob is the same. And I'm not realistic in the part that I think, yeah, I have both models. But what you need to do is decide on where you fish the most, what type of conditions you fish the most, and you're gonna have a really, really good option with either the ZR or the PV right here. And they're both good for freshwater and saltwater, so something very important as well there too. But the quietness, the strength, and the battery savings that you're gonna get out of this motor are absolutely second to none. Power Pole Move, check it out.